Hello, thank you for enrolling in our course. The goal of this course is to enable you to make a working proof of concept of Internet of Things using Microsoft Azure and a real sensor. Most of the times in offices we have seen that a prototype on Internet of Things is actually simulated over a software. That is not the goal of the course. The goal of this course is to actually use a real tangible sensor which you can map it out as a hardware device and connect it to the Azure IoT hub and then stream it out via an analytics platform, which is Power BI in this case. The ideal student for this course is a software professional who has some background in software engineering, projects, cloud computing and programming. This course is not a starter course but an intermediary course. You should have some basic background in software engineering and programming and cloud computing before starting this course. A student can enroll in this course, but make sure you check out the requirement needed for Microsoft Azure student license as well as to get a license in Power BI as a student. At the end of this course, you would be creating your first own hardware circuit which you can connect to the Microsoft Azure platform and stream your own sensor data over an analytics report. You can then collaborate this report through a custom email link or with a embedded website HTML code. This course will approximately take 2 hours to complete. This is a short, concise and very razor sharp course put in a condensed module. I hope this course would be helpful in your career to move your job from traditional software engineering into Industry 4.0 or digital skills. The equipment which are used for this project, especially the hardware, are very easy to source and it would cost you less than $20 to buy all this stuff. I will be giving you a strong hands-on and a backup on the electronics part as well as the cloud and the Power BI part of the project. I want you to be successful. So in this journey, I'll be together with you to create your first Internet of Things Microsoft Azure proof of concept. Thank you once again for enrolling and let's get cracking.